handshake or a hug too. Can be too.
And the kiss too.
And the kiss maybe, yes.
We kiss
But if one from the one side and the other side are many children or people, you don't say Γεια σου, but Γεια σας. Yes. I say to you, Γεια σας, καλημέρα σας, Γεια σας, σας. Not su, su is for one. Yeah? Here, σας, Γεια σας.
So you say yasas, and we have to answer yasu.
Yeah.
Because you are only one.
Yes.
Okay.
And here. Λοιπόν, για να ξεκινήσουμε από εδώ. Πες εσύ, one by one. Καλημέρα. Εσύ θα πεις τον άλλο καλημέρα.
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 So, but like I explained you